Welcome back to the course, and welcome to the section 7 of this course where you're going to learn MongoDB. And MongoDB is a NoSQL document-based database where you'll just arrange your documents just like you arranged in your dictionary. Very similar to that, we're going to arrange it in our MongoDB database. And why are we using it? Because it's flexible, it's very easy to implement in Python, and it's very scalable. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to install MongoDB Community Server and MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Community Server is basically the thing that you install on your computer, and MongoDB Compass is going to let you have a graphical user interface to work with your data. Now, we're not going to use Compass so much, but I'm going to show you just how to use it. You will be using MongoDB Compass very rarely just to look at the data. So is to see if things are working or not. So it's good to have some visualization in mind before you're making your application. So let's install these applications and I'll show you how to install them. It's fairly simple, and let's get right into it. So installing this shouldn't be a problem. First thing we're going to do is install MongoDB Community Server. You just go to their website or just type in Google or any search engine MongoDB Community Server download, and the first link you'll see most probably will be this, like this link similar to this, and you can just press on download and it'll start downloading, and from that point on it's just very simple. I'm not going to download that because I already have it. And so we've done that. And second thing is of course the MongoDB Compass, which of course you can navigate from here. You go to tools and MongoDB Compass, and here you can just download it. Similarly, you can select your operating system and whatever you want to have, make sure it's stable, and you can just download that and it'll work just fine. So please install these applications, and all you have to do is just install them. And in the next lecture we're going to talk about how MongoDB works and how to structure things in MongoDB. So I'll see you in the next one.